What's good, guys? It's Liv here from Neighborhood, and welcome back for our July HubSpot update. We've got a bunch of exciting updates for you this month as HubSpot continues to elevate its platform to ensure that you can better market, sell to, and service your customers throughout 2022. As for the latest Sprocket news here in the hood, in our latest hug, Dom and Trav jumped into the deep end of one of HubSpot's most intuitive integrations with messaging software, Slack. They explored the intricacies of streamlining your sales and operations efforts and how it allows you to serve your customers quicker and to a higher standard. These two provide a comprehensive breakdown you're not going to want to miss, so watch on replay via the link in the description below. First up, HubSpot Announcements, and definitely the best for those that love the F word, free, is the launch of free CMS tools. This completely free suite of content management tools was designed to offer value for marketers and developers that are eager to expand their online presence without having to spend a dime. There's quite a swathe of features, with notable mentions being access to the asset marketplace, filled with free and paid themes, the ability to publish web pages in multiple languages, connecting custom domain, drag and drop editing, page level and web analytics dashboards, built-in SEO recommendations, and more. With this launch, website themes and templates are now publicly available, which feature a stack of new themes built for the latest free CMS tools, helping new users through their website building journey. Curated by experts and quality tested by HubSpot for marketing, non-profit, and other small businesses to achieve the website they're chasing. Rolling into public betas, Operations Pro and Enterprise users will now have the ability to bulk select and merge duplicate contact and company records from the Duplicates Management tool. It's worth noting, though, that once those records are merged, there's no functionality currently to undo this action, so be warned. Next up, for Marketing Pro and Enterprise users, is the addition of ad conversion events, specifically for LinkedIn. Previously just available for Google and Facebook, users will now be able to sync lifecycle stage changes, allowing the ad network to optimize the delivery of your ads when a contact has been attributed in the HubSpot Ads tool. Next cab off the rank is cookie scanning. HubSpot's new cookie scanner can now find and categorize all of the cookies on your website. But how does it help you? Well, you can use it to prevent cookies from dropping on your visitors' browsers before they accept your cookie banner, allowing the HubSpot cookie banner to manage all external and third-party cookies, and not just those belonging to HubSpot. If you're after a guided walkthrough, we've included a link for this in the description down below. Finally, in public beta is the ability for CMS Hub and Marketing Hub customers to customize the navigation menu inside your customer portal. Customizing the menu items here will update the navigation across all customer portal pages. And if you're keen to learn more about this, we've also included a link to this down below. Now onto what's live inside HubSpot. CMS Hub starter users will now be able to publish 50 instead of 15 website pages and can create an unlimited number of multi-language variations for each of those 50 pages. As an example, if you have 5 variations of your homepage in different languages, one for each region you support, only one page will be counted towards your 50-page limit. Next up for what's live is HubSpot's Microsoft Teams integration, which now automatically maps HubSpot users in a HubSpot portal to relevant Microsoft Teams users by matching up their email addresses. For first-time users of this integration, HubSpot users will be automatically mapped to Microsoft Teams whilst installing the integration, making for a much faster setup process. As for admins who've already installed the integration, you can opt in to automatically map all users as well. Also in the mix, a whole host of new default properties and custom ticket properties are available for custom views in the inbox. This expanded list of properties enables teams to further organize the inbox by building views based on a variety of ticket and conversation properties. To list a few, some of the properties include all 4 default SLA ticket properties, ticket pipeline, and HubSpot Teams. Also live is customized quote templates available in Sales Hub Free and Starter. While in Free and Starter, you won't be able to change the logo, edit content, or images in the customized quote templates or create new custom quote templates. You can select a custom domain to host the quote, as well as edit brand colors and fonts. This still offers lower tiered users flexibility to showcase their brand when engaging with their prospects. Adding to quotes, new quote templates are now available in Sales Pro and Enterprise. To break this down, Flow, a new quote theme available, offers 2 templates. The first is content rich, with a variety of text modules and images, including a testimonial module, with the second being optimized for showcasing line items and accepting payments. This template definitely offers greater flexibility for e-commerce vendors. Closing in on our live updates, the payment object is now live in the HubSpot CRM. The latest CRM object stores the transactional data of buyers' payments when they pay on quotes or payment links. This object works like standard CRM objects and is now available in various HubSpot tools. HubSpot have put heavy emphasis into integrating commerce with the CRM to merge front and back offices while using fewer tools to sell better. Finally, for what's new and live, HubSpot have made it easier for you to find the data you're chasing with the recent addition of custom objects to the global navigation. In addition to this, HubSpot are allowing users to set custom object index pages as their default homepage. And that's it for this month. I hope you enjoyed these updates and are as keen as we are to start implementing them today. But as always, if you need someone to tell you where your current usage in HubSpot is letting you down, what you could optimize and clean up, or what you're not using to its maximum potential, sign up for a portal audit today. We've pushed out a bunch of audits recently for companies in a variety of different industries, using HubSpot to varying levels. As well, don't forget to register for our next free online HubSpot user group event in the link below as we explore sales enablement with Sales Hub, helping you utilize the hub to drive conversions through tried and tested best practices. But for now, that's all from me. Happy HubSpotting.